Good morning, friends. Yesterday, Bank Nifty rallied around 827 points. It was a gap up by 200 300 points, and in the first half an hour, it traveled almost 570 points from the previous day's close. So, it was a very bullish day, and factors what we want to watch is all the private sector banks which have heavy weightage in Bank Nifty were up with decent volumes by 10:30. And for your information, yesterday Bank Nifty futures also traded more than 25 lakhs around 10:40 morning. So that means a lot of people are participating in the rally, which means there is much more potential for the Bank Nifty to move further high for the day. And in the morning, IndusInd Bank was around 3.5 to 4% plus, and all banks, the Kotak, HDFC Bank, were 1.5 to 2% plus. In the morning around 10:30, 10:45. And in the closing, IndusInd Bank was 12.3% up. Other banks were 3 to 4% up, and Bank Nifty is up by 4% roughly. So the trend in the morning by 10:30 itself, it gave a clear direction for Bank Nifty for a bigger up move. So usually the range for the Bank Nifty is around 400 to 500 points in a day. That means day before yesterday closing was 21,424. That means around 500 points means 21,900 or 950. That 500 points will be the range. But the early trade for the first half an hour to 1 hour was very much bullish and strong enough to take the Bank Nifty further high. So totally yesterday the total range, the high-low difference was around 900 points for Bank Nifty roughly. So even after the 500 points move, since yesterday was a expiry day, we should know whether Bank Nifty will move further high and what will be the target. So almost that 400 to 500 points range for Bank Nifty is achieved. And as per the other calculations, it gave a solid move, another 300 to 400 points from 21,940, 950 levels. So those who are having a real calculation or the trend of other banks, I mean private sector banks which are more weightage in Bank Nifty, will lift Bank Nifty. So for example, around 10:30, Bank Nifty 22,200 call was trading around 35 to 40 rupees, and 22,000 was around 65 to 70 rupees, and it went high up to 300. So that means 500% move from 65 to 300 or something. So this is the way we have to calculate the move, and on expiry day, if you are clearly having a knowledge, the range about the Bank Nifty, then definitely we can go out for the out of the money, which will be very less premium, and we can double or triple our options premium, I mean call option or on the day. So once again I would like to tell you friends, it is not that every day there will be the same range. Sometimes the range will be 800 to 900 points. Some days it will be a very small range. We want to know how it is going to happen. And particularly on expiry day, when we get a clear target of 300 to 400 points up from that particular time, any particular time, then that at the money or nearby out of the money, call option will be very cheap, so that it will easily double or triple in a matter of 2 hours or 3 hours. So this is what I had been identifying for the past many years. And now, yesterday, Bank Nifty's move is very clear, and definitely if everyone are having a clear noticed other banks, private banks, then definitely they might have made a very good money. I mean, they might have doubled or tripled their risk. So these are the opportunities what we have to use in Bank Nifty option trading. So moreover, we want to know how much points it will move and how much time it will consolidate in that range. For example, Bank Nifty was trading yesterday from 22,140 to 22,080, some 60 to 80 points more than 2 hours. So that was the band. It didn't break that 22,000 and immediately it bounced back. So yesterday the consolidation was more than 2.5 hours for Bank Nifty. So all these things give a clear view that the move upside will give another 200 to 300 points, and it happened. So we should notice all the rate fluctuation with the time frame, how much correction it is coming in what time frame. It is not only the swing we should know the time frame of the swing, each swing, so that we can give better analysis and we'll get a better targets for the day. I hope I had given a small hint, at least to watch coming days, how to trade in Bank Nifty, especially on expiry day. So once again, every Thursdays we are going to get opportunities. All we have to do is we should have a very good knowledge about the other scripts move, Bank Nifty scripts, and no need of any previous resistance for Bank Nifty or previous support for Bank Nifty. It all depends upon the scripts which is going to move. For example, yesterday only because of IndusInd Bank, Bank Nifty moved more than 180 points. Only because of ICICI Bank it moved around 70 to 100 points. So like that each and every bank's move will give a move. So now we can't give a conclusion that Bank Nifty is having a resistance around 22,100. Or see, every 100 or 80 points or 70 points there will be lot of resistance, support, everything will be there. Any Fibonacci numbers will be there, or previous high will be there, previous low will be there, breakout target will be there. It is always there. But we should know whether this move is going to sustain or will it achieve in the given time frame. So once again I request everyone to keep clear note on the activities of the Bank Nifty. Expiry day is a very good opportunity for option buyers. Even option sellers, they will do the vice versa, they will get much more benefit. Once they know that there is going to be a 200-300 point upside rally, they can sell at the money options where the premiums are very high. Yesterday it was around 120 rupees or 110 rupees, around 1130 at the money. So that's a very huge amount for them. So option writers are having a very better opportunity if they know the trend and the range for the day. So good luck everyone. I request everyone to take care and look at Nifty and Bank Nifty. And I am Ram Kumar giving all these things for the past 10-15 days. And I am expert in doing research in market move along with the time frame. So option trading is one gift what we traders are having. With a very small investment we can make 20%, 30% returns every day. So we should make use of it and develop our skill in that. And my contact number is 98-942-20026. So once again, thank you all. Bye.